cancer. We're even getting it here. Yeah, I used to have allergies. Then I got cancer. Now I have cancer.
Did you know that allergies are the #1 leading thing to death?
Really?
Yeah.
In what country?
America, I'm pretty sure. Just look at
America?
this kid.
What a faggot.
Oh my god, such an idiot.
See, one time I sneezed so hard I just...
See, one time, my cough was so bad that my dick fell off. See, now I don't have a dick anymore.
I found your dick, and I ate it. It's delicious. Put a little parsley on that
You
bitch.
get off me?
Excuse me, sir.
But, that thing about the allergies, eventually Germany found out how to cure it. So, this guy right here,
What is up with that douchebag? Go away.
no way. But, the allergy thing, though, it's like service and spirit, dude. You guys gotta get it to snap, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I also have cancer.
Holy crap.
I'm seriously dying of cancer.
I'm sorry.
I'm not. Fuck you, bitch.
But did you see room 230 through 233 are on a quarantine because of those allergies? I mean, just look at that kid.
Look at this giant douchebag right here.
See, look, we love our school, don't we, guys?
Yeah.
We love it. Like, we even got the rainbow thing going. We got the lockers. We're ready to go.
Yeah, I love
Wait, do you have allergies?
Yeah, no, not really. I just kind of...